Gentlemen, let's address the elephant in your yard. Those cheap solar path lights you bought on clearance. They give off about as much light as a lonely firefly, and they die 4 minutes after sunset. Your house deserves better, you deserve better. Enter the heavy artillery. This 12-pack of 5-watt RGBW low-voltage pathway lights. Let me tell you a couple things about them. They are a heavy-duty build built out of solid aluminum with IP66 waterproof ratings. They aren't flimsy plastic. They're weatherproof tank armor for your garden. There's an all-in-one setup. It comes with a beastly 100-watt transformer and 100 feet of wire. Number one, they're already stripped for the connector, and then there's a little hole here. So what you do is you just slide this through here. We go like that. Twist this on, carefully keep this from like winding up, but it's sleek the way it fits on there. How cool is that? Look at that thing. They have smart automation. They come with an auto timer with a 24-hour mode and a built-in memory, so you dial in your settings and you never have to mess with it again. Now, we all know that running 100 feet of low voltage wire can either be a seamless 30-minute flex or a total headache that makes you question all of your life choices. You've been watching me wire this entire pack up. You've seen some preview images of what it's going to look like done. What do you say we go out, take a look at it at night, a good look so you can see what they look like, and talk about maybe that little issue with the wire or the wiring and my overall experience with these. Let's go talk to me about that. Okay, how great do these look? I absolutely love these. They look so cool. I really love the way they light up the walkway. Obviously, the colors are spectacular. Now, I do have one issue with them. I had a little bit of difficulty getting the wiring done, and that was because, here's my recommendation to the brand, the gauge of the wire is a little small for the connectors that come with it. So if you've ever done these before, you'd know that the connectors, that in order for the wire to make the connection in the connector, there's like a little needle that has to go through the wire, and the wire is so small that the needle has trouble going through it. So it's not a functional question. Obviously they work, but it took a little work for me to get them to actually all light up because that wire and that little needle did not exactly line up every time. In any case, if you are looking for walkway lights, these are absolutely incredible. There is a link on the screen or down in the description. Either one of them work the same way. You should absolutely be getting these for yourself. Before I leave you, let me make them just basic white in case you're a basic white person. There you go. If vanilla is your jam, this is the way they look. And so like I was saying, there is a link down below in the description or right on the screen. Either one works the same way. They will both get you the most current pricing for these. You cannot go wrong. These things are so cool. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, you've seen the setup, the review, and how these lights work, but you're now in the past. I'm gonna show you what the kit comes with, because it is a pretty complete kit. I want you to know what to expect. I can't put the box on the table because I'm not allowed to have barcodes, and they're all over this box. So let me show you what's inside here. Whole pile of really nice, I'm gonna say these are aluminum, stakes, transformer, low voltage transformer, low voltage wire, connectors. Ooh, and the lights are cool looking. Here are the lights. Let me show you what they look like. That is a neat looking light. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, an even dozen of them. Super cool. You've seen the video. You know where the links are here and down below. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you in the next video.